Good morning to all. This is Dr. Y. Sujata, Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, BBC Engineering College, Autonomous, Odalre. Previous lecture, in this lecture, we discussed the external sensors. Types, inductive and capacitive. Inductive proximity sensors are used in place of limit switches for non-contact sensing of metallic objects. Capacitive proximity sensors are used on the same plastic principle as inductive proximity sensors. Semiconductor displacement sensor, the use of light diode or laser as a light source of position sensitive dictator, position sensitive dictator PSD. Next, vision system, that is the non-contact sensors is touch sensors and C sensors, vision system, non-contact sensors, vision system. Vision sensors can be considered classified as external non-contact type. Vision sensors coverage is from few millimeters to tens meters depending upon the system needs and design. Every vision system requires a sensor to cover the usual image into electronic signal. Image activation, an image is obtained by using the camera and the distance for further processing. Image processing, image analysis examines data to locate and recognize an object with the image field. Most image analysis technique include segmentation, parameter extraction and pattern recognition. Segmentation, the process breaks into sense into several pieces or segments and allows the desired object to be isolated. Parameter extension, this process determines the key features such as position, orientation, shape, intensity, color and texture. Pattern recognition, it attempts to match the observed features against stored creation, thus following the objects to be identified. Major problem in this area is errors caused by changing the shadows and effects of edges, detectors or even various software errors propagate through the analysis. Image processing can be very time consuming. For typical sensors, 200,000 or more pixels, vision system can take many seconds, even minutes to analyze complete sense and determine the action to be taken. Several methods are to use the amount of data handled, therefore the processing time. Open approach is the battery vision, which is used when only black-white information is processed. In library vision, a picture is converted into a binary image by thus holding where a brightness level is selected. All data within the instance is equal to higher than its value are constrained. Another method of shortening process time is to control object. Components of vision system: camera, vision interface, video mixer, frame grabber, robot controller, image preprocessor, computer, image processing software. These are the components of image processing. Vision system. Some more sensors we discuss here. Accelerometers, they measure to inertia force changed when a mass is affected by a change in velocity. This force may change the tension of a string, the deflection of beam, the vibrating of frequency of mass. Accelerometer, the main elements of accelerometer has mass, suspension mechanism, sensing element. In this figure you observe the spring here, spring constant, and this is a mass and damper, frame, sensitive axis. F is equal to m d square x divided by d square t plus c dx by dt plus kx. High quality acceleration includes a servo loop to improve the linearity of sensor. Acceleration measurement, in this figure you observe here, this is the acceleration measurement. Differentiation if the velocity is the noisy results, MEMS accelerometer measurement behind of a MEMS structure under inertia force. Gravity force gives output, low measurement accuracy, drifting, Force sensors. Now we discuss the force sensors. Force sensors, we identify the force. Force sensors can be measured by measuring the deflection of an elastic element. Deflection of elastic element dl by L equal to strain. Strain gauges most common sensing elements force. It converts the deformation to the change of resistance. Force sensors detect the resistive changes of the strain gauge using Wheatstone bridge circuit. This is the Wheatstone bridge circuit. In this figure you observe here 4 gauges are there. V velocity input and velocity output. V out is equal to R divided by R1 plus R2 minus R4 divided by R3 plus R4 into Vn. Next, torque sensor. The shaft torque is measured with the strain gauges mounted on a shaft with velocity designed cross section. In this figure you observe the range sensor to measure the distance from the sensor to a nearby object. Working principles. This is range sensors, emitter, receiver, object. Triangulation, use the triangle method of by the traveling path by signal to calculate distance. Time of flight, use the time of flight of the signals to measure the distance. Emitter and receiver are typical range sensors. Infrared range sensors, ultrasonic sensors, laser range sensors, extra. Range sensors are 3 types: triangulation, time of flight, triangulation. Infrarange sensors, principle of operation: triangulation, infrarange emitter plus forcing lens plus position sensitive detector modulator. In this figure you observe that emitted light beam, direction of red detector light, detector lens, position sensitive detector, light of the spot target traveled. This is the object. Here the position is sensitive detector to identify the limitations of infrared sensors: poor reflection of IR signals. Certain dark object cannot reflect the IR signals well. The absence of reflected infrared signals does not mean that no object is present. Background noise, the sensor falls to work that are the similar IR signal source in the environment. IR sensor measures an object in short range, typical maximum range 50 to 100 cm. Time of flight range sensors. Time of flight, the measured pulses typically come from ultrasonic and optical energy sources. D minus D equal to V into T. Here. Next, ultrasonic sensors. Basic principles of operation: emit quick and burst of ultrasound. Human hearing sound 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Measured the elapsed time until the receiver indicates that an echo is detected. Determine how far away nearest objects from the sensor. Same formula. Ultrasonic sensor. In this figure you observe that ultrasonic sensors, x-axis degrees, y-axis degrees, x-axis time and 45 degrees beam angle. This is the sensor, beam angle and acceleration. Sensor model equal to 15 degrees. Sensor specification: range is accurate but bearing has 30 degrees uncertainty. The object can be located anywhere in the arc. Typical sensors ranges are of the orders of several centimeters to 32 meters. Next, ultrasonic sensors. Applications: these ultrasonic sensors are used distance measurement, mapping, rotating proximity sensors, scans. These are the ultrasonic sensors. Scanning at an angle of 15 to apart can achieve best results. Limitations of ultrasonic sensors: background noise. If there are other ultrasonic source, the sensor may detect signals emitted by another source. The speed of the sound varies with air temperature and pressure. Crosstalk problem: if a robot has more than one ultrasonic sensor who measurement ranges intersect, a sensor may receive signals emitted by others. Limitations of ultrasonic sensors are there. Poor surface reflection, surface materials absorb ultrasonic waves. Surface orientation affect the reflection of ultrasonic signals. Laser range finder. Next sensor is a laser range finder. This type of laser range finder are used triangulation method, spin laser strip and detect the reflection of light. Range 2 to 500, resolution 10, field view 100 to 180 degree specifications, angular resolution and scan time. Example of laser range sensor finder are used in this figure here. When dust is identified, dust is there, wherever the dust is there, it is easily identified. Next, vision sensors. Vision to produce richest information, gives the geometric information, texture, color, extra. Many applications of robotics, distance measurement, object control. Perspective projection camera. In this slide, in this figure, you observe 3D position feature, coordinate, and here optical axis. This is the point, and projection. This is the initial point, optical centers. This is the image plan, optical axis and image plan. Stereo vision system. Touch and proximity sensors. To detect whether any object is close to a robot to touches a robot. Proximity sensor does not give distance but only tells the extensions of an object. Typical sensors typical sensors, infrared radius proximity sensors, photodiodes, touch sensors, detector, RFID detector, infrared IR detectors. Photodiodes generate a current or voltage when illuminated by light. Their working principles is the same as that of IR sensors. The difference in the lie in the wavelength of the light sensors. Touch sensors. Working principle: the force sensing resistor changes its resistance when it is pressed or bent. When the button is pressed, the circuit is connected. Next, this slide, selecting of sensors. In selecting of sensors, one must decide what the sensors to do, what result one expect. First, sensitivity, linearity, operating range, response time, accuracy, repeatability, resolution. Types of output. These 8 factors have the selection of sensors. One by one we discuss what is the sensitivity. It is defined as a ratio of change of output, no change in input. An example of if a movement of 0.01 amp cause output voltage by 0.02 volt, then sensitivity is 20 volts per minute. Linearity. Perfect linearity would allow output versus input to be polted as a straight line on the graph paper. It measures the consistency of output into ratio input. Range. It is a measure of difference between minimum and maximum values measured. A strain gauge might be able to measure values of over the range from 0.1 to 10 newtons. Next, response time. It is the time required for a change input to be observed as a stable change in output. In some sensors, the output oscillates of a short time before it settles. Resolution, the smallest step the robot can take. Accuracy, the difference between the actual position of the robot and programmed position. Repeatability, will the robot always return to the same point under the same control conditions.